Hey, what is up, guys? In this video, I will tell you a story about the hunter and the pigeons. One day, a hunter sets a net to catch the birds and place grains and rice over the net. After some time, a flock of pigeons comes by and start eating grains and get caught in the net. After some time, they started losing hope. Then their leader asked them to fly together up in the sky. They did as they were told and carried the net away. The hunter runs after them, but they flew away to their friend's mouse hole. Then the mouse cut the net and freed the pigeon. So here the moral of the story is unity is strength. They all came together, they flew together to get out of that net. If they would try individually they couldn't do so. So unity is strength. Come together to solve a situation. You might do it.